Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
But the gravity on Mars is only 0.38 grams, about one-third that of Earth's. This means that moving around on the planet's surface will be much easier than on Earth, even though any visitors would have to wear protective spacesuits, but crew members may not be able to replace the muscle and bone lost during the journey. 22 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
On Mars, oxygen is only 0.13% of the atmosphere, compared to 21% of the Earth's atmosphere. The MOXIE system essentially produces oxygen like a tree, pulling in the Martian air with a pump and using an electrochemical process to separate one oxygen atom from each molecule of carbon dioxide, or CO2. 11 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
NASA currently has no concrete plans for landing humans on Mars. The Moon is the agency's first priority, but Bridenstine has said that the first crewed Mars landing could happen sometime in the 2030s. 19 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.